Greetings, welcome to the latest updates for the latest news within South Africa. Good day, I hope you are having a super Sunday and enjoying a quality time with your family. The latest is that there seems to be a problem between Moshe Ndix and his lover Phelo. Let's follow up on that story. According to media reports, the romance between Moshe and Phelo has ended in tears and in court drama. Phelo has obtained an interim court order against his buyer when Moshe reportedly left him with a bleeding gash on his head. This was allegedly after he beat him up. According to court papers, the incident happened early in May when the couple had a big fight at their North Riding home in Johannesburg over alcohol. When the two were supposed to appear in court last week, where Moshe was supposed to tell the magistrate why the order against him was not supposed to be made permanent, he came with a counter interim order as well. In his papers, Moshe claimed their relationship had been abusive over the past few months and Phelo had assaulted him on several occasions. Moshe also claimed that Phelo has problem with alcohol. Every time when he has had too much alcohol, he will start fights with family and friends unnecessarily. Moshe went further to say Phelo is extremely jealous and he would beat people up he accused of having an eye on him. He also allegedly beat Moshe up after accusing him of having a roving eye. The statement made by Phelo on his court papers reads as follows: "A month and a half ago, I was beaten with a candle stand at home. It broke on my head. I was bleeding heavily and tried to escape, but he pulled me back into the house and told me that I was making a noise. I went to the security and asked them to make a call, but was told that there was no phone. He ran after me, told me to get into the car, asking security to accompany me to the hospital. We went to Olivedale Hospital where I was given medical attention. I feel unsafe around him. He's emotionally abusive, manipulative and controlling. Just 2 days ago at my friend's house, he beat me up when I told him it's over. He took the phone that I was using." In his counter papers, Moshe stated that his buyer is an indecent person who once threatened to beat his own mother during the Christmas holiday last year. Moshe also said Phelo from time to time he would threaten his friends and family out of jealousy. He said that he's very bad when it comes to alcohol. Alcohol controls him a lot. And in another incident, Moshe stated that Phelo once attacked a fan with a gun when the fan wanted to take a photo with Moshe. And he went further to say his problem with alcohol abuse and the things that he would do and say, not only to me but those around me, have left me drained, battered and confused. Moshe added by saying, "I don't make excuses for my faults. I take full responsibility. I should have walked away, called the cops and not retaliate, because in a healthy marriage, I don't think fighting fire with fire is the way to go." Moshe also claimed that in one drunkard incident, Phelo forcefully kissed a man in front of his wife after they have given them a lift. This was in Eastern Cape in December 2019. During the same work trip, Moshe said Phelo pulled the handbrake while he was driving because of an argument. About the night of bloody fight, Moshe said they had drunk a bottle of whiskey and Phelo wanted to open another one, but he refused, telling Phelo they had enough for the night. A fight broke out as they were wrestling for the second bottle, and I then picked up a candle holder and threw it at him, leaving Moshe with a gash on his forehead. It's true when they say things that we see on social media is never true reflection of what is happening behind closed doors. You would never have imagined something like this between Moshe and Phelo, because on Instagram they looked like they really love each other. They are so in love with each other. That will be all from me. Remember to leave your comments as well to let us know of your views regarding what you have just covered. If you want to follow more on this, you may follow discussions on Twitter, as this is one of the trending topic on Twitter. That will be all from me. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you again in the next update.